Hey everyone, so this is the AC unit and I wanted to show you how easy this is to set up. So first of all, as you guys can see here, we have it connected to our window. We didn't pad it yet, so there's insulation they give you, and this fills in any of the gaps that you might have. So we would run it from the bottom there to fill in the gap. But always test your unit before you make anything permanent. I love how it has the circle piece already built in. You just push it in and twist, and this piece is already built in, so you just simply slide it down. It's really nice. You got your filters on the back here. You can remove these panels for cleaning. Very simple, very easy to set up, and so far I am very happy. So once we turn it on, it already has a preset. Oh, and right away it's blowing ice. Woo! So that's awesome, especially for upstairs. So this is our top story. It gets hot because the heat rises up. This is excellent. So a couple different settings on here. You have fan mode 1, 2, and 3. So if you don't want it as loud, you can turn that down. Temperature setting, nighttime. So nighttime just lowers the fan speed to 1 or 2 and then turns off the little display there. Timer. Of course, you have your mode, just fan, you can set here. Depend on the humidity, you can set that. Automatic, you can set it, or cool. And there's a lot more that, well, you can see here. So it tells you everything. And then of course here, we can adjust, which this just goes up and down. So if you want to adjust where it's blowing, you can do that. Overall, this is one of the most simplest, easiest units to set up. There is a controller as well, so you can control it, which is awesome. It's also great they have on the side how to do everything. So for the air filter, how to drain the water, dry or cold mode, goes over and tells you. And it shows you if FE maybe, F whatever that is, FC appears, the tank is full, so then you just drain the water. So overall, this thing is awesome. It has wheels as well, so you can easily move it wherever you need to. Oh, nice and cold. Love it.